Hello, it is Tamara. It's Monday and it's around noon, so I'm here. This, I think it's Friday, is Valentine's Day. And so, what I wanted to talk about was some great oils that you can use for that time. So, all right, let me bring up my notes here. Um, you know that all humans have a basic need to love and feel loved, right? And so emotional, intellectual, social, and sexual intimacy contribute to the connection that you can experience as a couple, okay? Because of past experiences and current health concerns, physical intimacy can often present challenges, including low sex drive. You're exhausted, you're fatigued, right? Aches and pains, if you have a chronic illness, um, all sorts of things. And so at times, you might be interested in an aphrodisiac, and it's a substance that enhances or stimulates passion and sexual arousal. And an aphrodisiac can also help reduce physical, psychological, or emotional conditions that interfere um, with all of that, right? And so certain essential oils have long been praised for their aphrodisiac qualities. One of the reasons why they're so effective is that their natural chemical composition works quickly on your circulatory, endocrine, and reproductive system when applied to the skin. And then you want to make sure that they're diluted, right? Whenever you apply an oil topically, my recommendation is always to use a carrier oil because then it absorbs better, less of it flashes off or evaporates, right? And you can cover a bigger area. It also lessens any chance of skin sensitivity that you might have. So, additionally, there's a lot of essential oils that are effective aphrodisiacs because their aromatic qualities affect your mood, they can affect your thought and feelings. Once inhaled, the odor molecules register a response in your limbic portion of your brain, right? Which is also responsible for sexual behavior and memory and can influence the body's sexual response. And so, what's really nice about essential oils is they can help to produce desired effects for yourself or your partner, right? And most aphrodisiac oils work by raising the body temperature through their warm and rich aromas. And so once your body has reached an ideal temperature, the oil's sensual and euphoric properties are most effective. I do have some, uh, let me share my screen with you here. I do have some, share, there we go. Some, excuse me, recipes, blends. These are kind of the oils that you might want to think about using. There's ginger, there's ylang ylang, excuse me, clary sage, peppermint, wild orange, passion. That's really small. I think it says, no, it's sandalwood, just regular sandalwood. Maybe Hawaiian sandalwood. You probably use either of the sandalwoods. And then there's the rose touch roller, jasmine touch roller, whisper, and neroli. Those are all really good oils to have on hand. Okay. So here's a really great one that you can put together. It's a massage blend. You're going to use your passion, your peppermint, your ginger, and then you're going to dilute it with 2 ounces of carrier oil and then apply where you want to feel or taste the cooling, warming effect. Okay. You can go ahead and take a screenshot of any of these. It's totally fine. This is the Big O roller blend, okay, and that has clary sage, ylang ylang, and neroli in it. You're going to put those in your 10 ml roller bottle and then top it with carrier oil. And then, like it says, you want to massage it over your abdomen, chest, and inner thighs. Hang on. Where was I? I went too far. Well, darn it. Hang on. That one, we looked at that one. Oh, we didn't look at that one. We were at other ones. Oh, well, we'll just skip around in here. This is the attraction blend. So it's got passion and ylang ylang. Again, you're going to make a roller, 10 ml. If you want to make 5 ml rollers, that's totally fine. In your recipe here, just make sure that you like have the amounts of oils of each thing. And when it has an odd number, I tend to just go with like 2, right? Because you can't exactly get 1.5 drops out of the bottle. So I tend to go with 2. Um, okay. And then we have get in the mood bath salts. So that has ylang ylang and wild orange. Whenever you make a bath and you use an essential oils, make sure that you add your essential oils to your bath salts, and then add them to the water. And that helps to keep it dispersed in the water so the oils don't just sit on the top. Okay. Then we have a linen spray, which has passion, ylang ylang, and clary sage in a spray bottle. And you can spritz that on your sheets. Soulmates roller trio. So those are the separate rollers, right? You get Neroli and Rose and Whisper, and you would apply those over your heart, and down your spine. You can do them together or you can do them separately, right? So you could layer them one on top of the other. We did that one, but there it is again. We did that one, and there it is again. So for your Energizer Bunny, okay, you got sandalwood, jasmine, and ylang ylang. And if you don't have the I think it's a 15 ml of jasmine. Maybe it's even smaller. I think it's 15. If you don't have the jasmine, but you have like the jasmine touch, you can pop the roller off of the top of the jasmine touch and use a little pipette thingy to take drops out of it, right? If you were using the jasmine touch roller, I would probably do like 10 drops of jasmine because it's already diluted with fractionated coconut oil. Um, but if you're using the actual jasmine that's all by itself, right? You're going to use the 7 drops. Okay. And then we have an aphrodisiac diffuser blend. It has clary sage, ylang ylang passion, Hawaiian sandalwood. So you can use either of those sandalwoods. I tend to always go with Hawaiian. I just think it smells like more tropical, whatever. But they're both really good. And wild orange in it. Put that in your diffuser blend. And then we have to help increase your sex drive, right? So your libido guide here. You got ylang ylang as an aphrodisiac. The sandalwood is for helpful for male support. Passion is kind of like what it says. It really does a great job. We're going to leave it there. And then to help balance your hormones, clary sage is great for that. So those are my suggestions, for want of a better word. In the book here, The Essential Life, right? And they have an app also. Um, they have a few more, and I will take some pictures. They have like a massage oil. They have that's the same thing. They have a lotion that you can make. They have a couple other diffuser blends. They have a bubble bath. Yeah. So I will take some pictures and I'll post those along with this, so that you can have those recipes also. But that's what I want to talk about. If there's a roller blend that you really find that you like, and want to share that, that'd be great. And as always, if you have any questions, please drop those in the comments below. And I'll be back next week with not sure what, but something. Well, we'll talk again on Monday. Um, so yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your week and happy Valentine's Day early. Okay.